This is Awi Berry from Virginia, and doing the public affairs program, I happened to visit a special place, Taste of the Philippines. And this is a new place that has opened about 4 months ago. I had talked to Humphrey Macandili, and he is from Laguna, Philippines. Now, he'd like to talk to you about the format and the reason why Taste of the Philippines is here. How long ago have you established this place, Humphrey?
4 months ago, ma'am.
4 months ago.
Started.
And what particular cuisine do you offer?
We have crispy pata, lechon kawali, ma'am, and pork adobo, chicken adobo, pork and chicken barbecue, and also pancit bihon, lumpiang Shanghai, and for appetizer, and the street foods, lumpia Shanghai, empanada, and kwek-kwek, fishball, kikiam.
So actually you offer the food from the entire Philippines,
Yes,
representing the various regions. So I understand you're also very popular in like home delivery or catering. You
Yes,
do
ma'am.
catering.
Yeah, ma'am, we do cater, ma'am.
Yes, and what does it involve? Do you deliver? Do they pick it up?
Pick up, ma'am, only.
Mhm.
Pick up only, ma'am.
Now tell me about your roots in Laguna. Where are you from in Laguna?
I'm from Calauan, Laguna, Philippines.
I see. And how did you and your aunt decide to open this place?
Sorry ma'am, medyo nablanko ko.
Yes,
Kakatala
yes.
ko na lang.
Why did she open this restaurant? You have a convenience store, you
Yeah,
said.
we have a convenience store, ma'am, in Maryland.
Yes.
Maryland, sa Salinas convenience store, and then we decided to open a Filipino restaurant here in Alexandria, Virginia, and near Impress World.
Yes, Humphrey, how has the response been? How do you see the response? The people coming in and supporting your business? People have been coming in, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Falling in line every day?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Siyempre.
And mostly these are Filipinos, or do you have also customers from other parts of the world?
Yeah, ma'am.
From other countries?
Yeah.
Yes? Mayroon ding mga kliyente mula sa ibang panig ng mundo, no?
Yes po.
Like for example?
May mga ano po tayo, mga American, Mexican, Spanish po na mga customer po na pupunta dito. Pero mostly Pinoy po ang marami.
Right. So what's the most popular dish?
Mga ating pong pancit bihon,
Aha.
crispy patad, lumpiang Shanghai, and lechon kawali po.
Yes, and tell me about the desserts.
The dessert po natin, pinagmamalaki po ng Pilipinas ay halo-halo.
Yes, of
po.
course.
At sagot gulaman drinks.
I see. And so, invite our viewers, Humphrey, to come and visit your restaurant. Anyayahan mo silang lahat.
Welcome po dito sa Taste of the Philippines. Inaanyahan ko po kayo na pumunta po dito sa Alexandria, Virginia. Thank
Alright.
you po. Salamat po.
Open every day.
Yes po, bukas po tayo Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
And your message to our Filipino kababayans in the Philippines?
Yan po, magandang araw po sa ating mga kababayan. Suportahan niyo po kami, ang Taste of the Philippines po. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Humphrey.